Welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Apache in Linux computer. For this demonstration, I have installed the Kali Linux on my system. So to install the Apache in Linux, we have to do some basic things like it's recommend to install the system packages of their latest version. So what we have to do that? So we have to type sudo space apt space update space and space sudo space apt again. Okay, then upgrade. This command will automatically update all the system packages which are installed in your system, and if there is any update available, it will download it for you. So let's press enter. Okay, I think I have typed a mistake over here, so let me just sudo that. Okay, then we have to put the password for this system. Okay, now it's working. Let me just maximize this thing for you. Okay, we have to press Y. Okay, and as you can see, it's downloading all the repository files and all the updates, okay, that are available right now. So you have to do this before installing the Apache software or any services you wanted to install. Make sure your system dependencies and another files are updated. It's downloading the files from particular this repository. As you can see, the kali.downloads.org. So it's a very important thing, else the services that you are trying to install is not going to work. Okay, as you can see, all our repository and packages are now updated. So what we have to do from now is that we have to install the Apache now. So to install the Apache, we have to run the following command in the terminal. So this is the command. It will be sudo space apt space install space Apache 2. So this is the command we have to type. Now if we press enter, it will start the installation. Now it's asking, do you want to continue? Okay, I have to press Y. Okay, now it will download the Apache services from the repositories. As you can see from here, it's downloading. This is the repository URL. It's downloading, so it will take few minutes, so you have to wait. So the installation is completed now. Now we have to verify that the Apache it's running or not. So to do that, we have to use sudo systemctl status Apache 2. This particular command will let us know that if the Apache services is properly installed or not. So let's enter. Okay, as you can see, the Apache is installed, but it's right now disabled over here. Okay, so it will not going to work. If I take you to the browser to show you that if it's working or not. So let's see. Okay, when I'm typing localhost, it's not working. Why is that? Because we are just installed the Apache, but it's not enabled right now, so we have to enable it. So we have to type this command to start the Apache services. So let's enter, and it's done. So now if I type the same command once again, that to see the status, as you can see, it's saying that the server is running over here. Okay, it's running. Now if we go to the browser once again and type localhost, you can see Apache it's now running. This is the location where the Apache configuration file is located. You can edit this file if you wanted to make any changes. It's under the etc Apache 2, and this is the Apache 2.configuration file. So this is how you can install Apache in Kali Linux or any kind of Linux operating system if you like. So if you find anything helpful from this video, kindly like the video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you.